Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am showing you how to make beef chili fry in a Goan style. So beef chili fry in Goan style. For that we need some beef which it's already cooked. So it's like cooked beef. I have used roasted cooked beef. So you can use the normal you can cook, or you can use the roasted one. So I am using this 1 kg of roasted beef, okay, which is nicely cooked. I will share you the link of the video how to roast beef. Then I have taken around 2 big onions chopped in this way, then 2 tomatoes, then I have taken some uh, green bell peppers, that is capsicum we say, or whatever, or shimla mirch or whatever. Then I have used this few curry leaves. Then as it is beef chili fry, so I have taken around 2 big green chilies and cut this way. And then I have taken around 8 flakes of garlic. So let's start our beef chili fry. I am not going to use any other dry spices because I am using roast meat, cooked roast meat. So if you are using plain boil, then you can use your dry spices like garam masala, like a few of pepper cloves and a few of cardamoms and dalchini and few of cloves. So you can use all this thing. So let's start. Oil for frying all this. So I've taken around 1 big tablespoon of oil to fry my onion, tomatoes, pepper and chilies. First we will fry our cloves and curry leaves. So we'll add the curry leaves in this and the cloves. Fry this for a few minutes. Now we'll add our chilies to this. And let our onion go in this. Now we'll add our tomato to this. High flame. At this point we will add turmeric powder and coriander powder. So 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I will add little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder, that is around 1/4 of teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. And let's mix this all. So my meat, that is beef meat, is nicely with flavored and nicely. So when you are doing just with the boiled meat, boiled beef or any meat, then see that you can add some spices to it, as I mentioned starting of the video. Or best is to make a roast of your meat and then make whatever you want to make out of it. Now we'll add our salt to taste. Even the beef is having some salt, so just check the salt. And we'll give a tinge of lime juice to this, around 1 teaspoon of lime juice to this. Now at this point, let's add our meat to this. See, because I'm saying it's roasted meat, so that's why you can see the caramelized behind. Now mix all this nicely. We'll add very little water to this, so all the masalas, whatever we added, will nicely get to the meat and it becomes juicy beef chili fry. And at this point now we will add our Shimla mirch or capsicum or green bells. Because we need the crunchiness out of this. Now mix this all. And we'll close this and only for 5 minutes, not more than that, just for 5 minutes. Check everything. Yes, everything is okay. Now we'll cover this and cook for 5 minutes. So here it is. It's nicely with the onions. So my beef chili fry is ready to serve, and we can make different types of whatever you want to make out of this. Thank you so much, and it's ready to go on the plate and enjoy. Thank you so much.